Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, it's a little surprise. I wasn't expecting this. One of my viewers sent me something, Adventure Time RC. He was doing a little giveaway type thing for so many people. He 3D printed something and I was lucky enough to get one, and this one's going into one of my projects. So let's get right into this thing and check this thing out. Alright, here it is. It's a little box. Wonder what's in this little box. But this thing's for a project, which I already did the wheels the last video. So wonder what it is. Newspaper. Maybe we're doing newspaper on it. Empty box now. I thought it was cool. I wanted to incorporate this in one of the projects. And here we go. Let's get this Ziploc bag opened up. Stickers. Nice. Go check this cat out, man. He's a good guy. Another one of his stickers. Add this to my sticker board behind me. I like those. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. And here's our project. One of our little additions to our projects. It's our Fink figure. Gonna make a killer driver for the project we got coming up. Get her all painted up, make her look real. What do you guys think? I think it's pretty cool. Big shout out to Adventure Time RC. Thanks, buddy, appreciate it. Well, like I said, everybody, it's gonna be a little short little unboxing, but I'm pretty happy, I'm pretty stoked about that one. Little Fink figure guy is gonna be cool. Cool little addition for a trail truck. You know, it just adds that little more of a twist to it. You know, I wanted to give a big shout out to Adventure Time RC. Appreciate all the support, brother. Thank you for being a long time subscriber to the channel. I appreciate it. And remember, everybody, if you guys have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button down here. Don't forget the notification bell next to it. Give a big thumbs up on this video, everybody. Appreciate it. Thanks. We're going to catch you guys on the next one.